Hi, my name's John Leonard, co-founder of uVideo. I believe there's never been a better time to invest and start producing regular high-quality video content for your marketing and communications. The reason is very straightforward. Your audience love to watch video content. We know that, the statistics show that. But how do you create this regular high-quality video content on an ongoing basis whilst maintaining control of your costs? Well, that's why we formed uVideo, to help train you to take video production in-house. We've got over 10 years experience producing corporate videos, and we offer video training packages that are tailored to your needs. Some may be holistic training, others may be small segmented training where you need to upskill in certain areas. Of vital importance though is that we have a pre-consultation discussion so that we can do exactly that. We can tailor the training to your needs. It might be that you have specific camera equipment that you need training on. And indeed, we need to undertake that audit to see if you have the necessary equipment prior to the training taking place. So please have a look at our website and contact us to see how we can help you.